Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the interface model and power needs. This matters because bus-powered units can draw too much current from some USB hubs. Plug the power adapter in if present, or connect directly to your computer's USB port. Avoid unpowered hubs. Once done, install the manufacturer driver or verify class-compliant status on your OS. This prevents device recognition problems later. You'll save time by resolving power and driver issues before routing any cables or microphones into the unit. Now connect your microphones or instruments. Use XLR for mics and balance TRS for line-level sources to reduce noise. Plug each source into the intended channel and label them. Next, route outputs. Connect the interface main outs to studio monitors or headphone amp and set speaker and headphone volumes low to avoid pops. Once connected, open your operating system and your DAW. Then select the interface as the input and output device so signal flows correctly and latency settings can be adjusted. Finish by setting gains. Have you watched the meter while slowly raising preamp gain until peaks sit between -12 and -6 dB? That gives headroom and reduces clipping risk. Use the pad for loud sources. Then tweak buffer size in your DAW to balance latency and CPU usage, and run a test recording plus playback to confirm clean audio. If you get no signal, check the cable, phantom power for condensers, driver status, and that the OS hasn't routed audio elsewhere. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.